The origins of the world are a topic of much debate and speculation. Many religious traditions hold that the world was created by a higher power or deity. Scientific theories, such as the Big Bang, propose that the universe began as a singularity and has been expanding and evolving over billions of years. The formation of our solar system, including the creation of the sun and the planets, is thought to have occurred through a process called planetary accretion. The development of life on Earth is believed to have begun with the formation of simple, single-celled organisms and gradually evolved into more complex forms. The exact details of how the world came to be are still being studied and debated by scientists and scholars.